Hey, I just wanted to do a quick review of the Swiffer Duster Heavy Duty Extender Handle Starter Kit that I just got. And in this video, I'll go over some pros and cons, my overall thoughts, and if I'd recommend this product. First pro is that it comes with several bags of duster refills, so that's really nice. I also like that it extends, so if you need to reach hard to reach places like in the corner of the blinds or in the corner of the walls, you can easily do that. Another pro is you can use the duster several times, and then when it gets too dirty, you can easily remove it, take it off, and throw it away. It also seems to collect dust and hold the dust a lot better than other products that I've tried. If I had to choose a con, it would be that it's made of just a crappy plastic material, but at the same time, you don't need something fancy to dust your house with, so it's just fine as it is. Overall, I do recommend this product. It does a great job, it does what it's supposed to, and it's easy to use. I hope this helps. This has been my review of the Swiffer Duster's Heavy Duty Extender Handle Starter Kit.